In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trello and Outlook Calendar with automated two-way updates. By the end, your Trello board will talk to your Outlook calendar, so updates flow both ways, keeping tasks and dates aligned without manual copying. All you need is a Trello account with a board you can edit and access to Outlook Calendar. Start in your web browser and head to a search engine. In the search bar, type Trello, then click the official Trello website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, open the specific Trello board you want to connect. This is important because power-ups are added per board. If you manage deadlines with due dates on cards, you'll get the most value from the calendar connection. At the top of your board, look for the Power-Ups icon. Power-Ups are Trello's built-in add-ons that extend your board with extra features and integrations. Click the Power-Ups icon to open the panel, then choose Add Power-Ups to browse the directory. In the directory's search field, type Outlook Calendar. From the results, select Outlook Calendar for Trello by Creel Solutions. This integration is designed for two-way updates, meaning changes to due dates and events can stay synchronized between Trello and Outlook. Take a moment to review the description so you know what sync behavior to expect. Click Add to install it on your board. If you're asked to grant permissions or sign in to your Microsoft account, follow the on-screen prompts so the integration can connect securely. After installation, you'll see an option to enable it. Click Add again to turn it on for this board. Now refresh the page. This quick reload helps Trello complete the setup and ensures the new integration is fully available. Once the board reloads, you'll notice an Outlook Calendar option at the top of your board. That's your access point to the integration. From here, you can open it to view the connection and confirm everything's ready for syncing. A few quick tips to get the best results. Make sure your Trello cards have due dates because those are what appear on your calendar. Check that your Trello and Outlook time zones match to avoid off-by-1 hour surprises. If you don't immediately see the Outlook option after adding the power-up, refresh again or briefly clear cached tabs. And for peace of mind, test with a sample card and event to confirm updates reflect both ways. That's it. Your Trello board and Outlook calendar are connected with automated two-way updates, keeping your tasks and schedule perfectly in sync.